here we go.
Are you ready for your
Tegan's first feeding.
spoon?
It's an avocado. Yum.
No projectile tongue. Ah, there it is.
Yum, yum.
You can eat it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's delicious.
More? I don't think you swallowed what you have. You just want to hold this spoon? Doesn't taste bad. Mama had it.
Oh no.
Oh, I missed. Alright, that happens the first time. You're normal. Ready?
Oh, there we go. First food, first throw up. Good job, Tegan.